The place of butterfly. Look over there. Huh?
You see one?
No. I saw a lot of butterfly. I just took this video.
Practice the rich cultures and tradition. Padre, bagsik mo na. Sir, just so that they give past entertainment at the back. So that's their one of very important traditional products, so they call bagtik. So it's a sap or resin of almasiga tree that grows only in higher elevation at least 2,000 feet above sea level. And that bagtik, ma'am, sir, is main ingredients in making paints, varnish, nail polish, fiberglass, and other related products. And also that flammable. Okay, so ma'am sir, it is a native backpack of the child, so they call bakid. So they use this to get in their product, particularly that bagtik. So if it is full, they simply tied it up here so that the product won't fall. And he said if it is heavy, no problem, because aside from shoulder strap, they have head strap or head support to carry even more weight. Because ma'am sir, according to them, they're adult, they can carry more than 50 kilos of bagtik up in the mountain. So they're also music lover, and they have musical instruments. So first that one, that's a native drum, so they call it kimbal. It's made of a hollow wood, and they carve, and on top they cover animal skin or a cow skin. The bigger metal, they call gong or agong, for the two smaller one are sanang. And now they play all together, they call it basal or basal set. Here in the Philippines. So now they're going to play a music called Bogit, Bogit which means bird song. It's an amazing sound. Friction or to slide. Alright, and now if the smoke was visible, they transfer it on a dry nuts or dry grass, then they blow harder to make a bigger fire. And since there's electricity din po sa mountain, it is a native source of the drive, they called salong or sahing. So ma'am sir, one pot of this, it can last 3 to 5 nights, but it depends on how they use it. They do believe there is smoke of this, they can drive away a bad spirit or bad luck. Ma'am sir, they can cure illnesses like stomach ache, headache, and insect repellent. Like ano po, insinso, yung apoy niya. Pero ma'am sir, ito yung susensi. Okay, so everybody, let's try to smell this now. Okay lang po. Bird pala. So that's how strong using their blow dart. Actually, ma'am sir, whenever they hunt bigger animals, they put poison on the tip of the dart. So the poison is coming from this plant, so they call tita. They collect the sap of this plant, they will mix the other juice of other plant, they cook it together with low fire so that the poison is powerful. So a few minutes, the target will die. But if they want the meat, they simply wash in the running water and